What's up guys, thank you for checking ACUMAN, this is Alex. Welcome to China! You may not believe it, but in China we got lots of good alcohol in here. For example, Maotai, Wuliangye, Erguotou, so on, so on, so on. And let's assume that you had the opportunity to go to Qingdao. You have to try the Qingdao beer. Their beer is just kick ass. The interesting thing is, the container in Qingdao beer is, well, plastic bags. What a surprise, huh? But no matter what, no doubt, most of you will be totally drunk because their beer is just so damn good. That you drink a lot, there's a pretty young lady come with you and try to chat with you. But in that moment, you really want to and if that's really happens, you will be really awkward. In this kind of situation, what's the best way to stop the warming feeling and back to normal? Luckily, we have our Shifu, who's a grandmaster of Chinese medicine, Kung Fu, and making Kung Pao chicken. He just told me, don't panic, Alex. In this kind of situation, you just need to press one acupoint, and then you gotta stop your warming feeling right away. So, which acupoint? Let's find out. The acupoint we're gonna use for today is called Guanchong point. So, where is Guanchong point? Guanchong point is our ring finger. That's right in the corner of our nails. It's close to the little finger, which means right here. By massaging this acupoint, you can effectively help your drunken friend or yourself to speed up their metabolism and refresh their mind. So how should we press Guanchong point? We gotta use our fingertips of our index finger to find Guanchong point. Then press it a little bit hard for 20 seconds. After that, release it for 10 seconds. Then we'll press it again. Keep doing that for 10 times. Then try to another hand. And after that, your uncomfortable feeling caused by the drunk can be reduced a little bit. Oh, by the way, even though the Guanchong point can reduce your uncomfortable caused by the drunk, but still, it cannot reduce the alcohol in your blood and body. So next time, if it's caused by the cause because of the DUI, don't ask me how to do. You deserve it. Besides, my Shifu also told me, 以酒为浆，以忘为常。 In Chinese medicine theory, the doctor will pay more attention on daily healthcare more than treat the disease directly. So next time, don't drink too much because there's a lot of things you had to experience in your life, especially in China. Alright, that's today's ACUMAN. If you like our program, just subscribe to us or leave your comments below. So, until next time, bye!